Hi everyone! We have a real quick recipe for you for making homemade weed spray and some tips. You need 30% vinegar, not 5% vinegar. 5% is made for your salad dressings. You're going to need Dawn dish soap, and you're going to need Epsom salt. 2 cups of Epsom salt, 1/4 cup of Dawn dish soap. Boil 3 cups of water and add the Epsom salt to the water and dissolve it really well. And then add your 1/4 cup of dish soap. Try not to mix it up too much. You don't want a lot of bubbles. And now the 30% vinegar. We're going to go outside with that. It's best to do this weed spray on a very hot day with no rain in the near forecast. Please don't splash this vinegar on you. It will burn you. If you get it on you, you want to go and rinse off right away. Add the vinegar first and then the salt with the soap. This way you're not getting a bunch of bubbles. Again, please keep in mind, vinegar will burn. So if you have any animals or children nearby, don't let them walk into the area that you've chosen to spray with this weed spray. It'll burn your dog's paws and burn your children's skin. We love using the weed spray in the garden, in all the walkways, and in all the areas where there isn't any vegetables. Another tip, this is not something you want to spray on a windy day, because wherever this weed spray lands, it's going to kill it. This is the after. So I sprayed this at 4:30 in the afternoon on Saturday. Today is Sunday, 9:30 in the morning. Splendid. It works, guys. You just have to use the right vinegar. You can't use 5%. You know, the stuff that you use in your salads, you have to use something stronger. And you really should cut it down as low as you can get with your weed whacker or a lawnmower, so it really gets to that root and fries it in the sun. Let's take a walk around. I skipped the part with the hosta because, you know, can't hurt the hosta. Look at that. Less than 24 hours. Amazing. Jason and I have been using this recipe for over 10 years, and it works great. And now we're going to start the project around the pool. Hope you join us for that. If you do try this recipe, please let us know how you liked it. If you haven't already met Jason and I, T&J, here's a little trailer so you can see what we've been up to around here.